A gas service is important annually to just make sure that your carbon monoxide levels are in check, that your appliance is burning efficiently and it's clean. Make sure that it's ready for the winter so that you're not going to have any problems.
From an aesthetic standpoint, most gas appliances with the glass on the front, it ends up getting foggy. From a safety standpoint, to make sure that this unit again is combusting appropriately, the flames are indicative of that, and then to follow that up with not just a visual test, but a carbon monoxide reading. To have a qualified, certified technician come and give you that peace of mind, give you that confidence that during the holidays, when it gets cold, that you're able to flick a switch and not have to worry about your house, your health, your air quality, is a great reason to have an annual service.